The Bandon Jetty, panoramic views. Our Madison lot is a tremendous buy. You can see the beautiful new home built next door to it, and you can just anticipate the views you'll experience. Its adjacency to the beach is fantastic. Look at the miles of sandy beaches you will enjoy. At $595, it's the best deal in Bandon. A large lot with plenty of room for any size home, surrounded by homes in the $1,500,000 range. Our Madison lot has so much to offer. Its location is fantastic. The neighborhood is stunning, and the beach access is just across the street. This lot offers all city services: water, sewer, cable, high-speed internet, and phone. It's all here at the lot, along with the curb cut from the street. You can see the neighboring home, new construction, at $1,600,000. With the beach access just across the street, it's a low beach access, easy for anyone to get to the beach. You'll find miles of beaches, and you'll also find the glory of the jetty as you wander along this path to Bandon's beaches. This lot is an excellent price, excellent location, and ready for your investment. This could be your neighbor, this beautiful home with the fountain. If you choose to build this lot here on Madison Avenue in Bandon.